Step by step through the trees, jungle walking with the breeze. Butterflies dance all around, flowers blooming on the ground. Trunk goes swaying side to side, jungle walk a peaceful ride. Waterfalls so bright and clear, splashing water having cheer. Froggy friend upon a rock, waving hello, tick tock tock. Baby elephant walking free through the jungle, you and me. Baby elephant, big and small, jungle friends, we love them all. Deeper now among the trees, sunbeams dancing through the leaves. Picking flowers, sniffing sweet, jungle walk, such a treat. Monkey swings and turtle too, now our jungle friends are new. Walking, talking, having fun, jungle day has just begun. Baby elephant walking free through the jungle, you and me. Baby elephant, big and small, jungle friends, we love them all. Sun is warm, the day is bright, what a lovely jungle.